we're not at the spray booth manufacturer. What we have is this control panel that it's created for this project in Colorado. I'm going to take you through some simple steps of how to operate it and start it up. One is obviously to plug it into a 120 plug. 120 plug, the yellow extension cord. Take it to the 120 section. Once that's properly in place, you come out to the inside where it says Premier, and you push on. That will send the signal to the screen, and it will send the signal to the power supplies. You want to check that all breakers are in place and everything is not loose. Now as you take you back to the home screen here, this will be the control panel for the equipment. Right here is the power supply where the heater mechanism. This goes inside the heater mechanism. And this will be your signal light. Your signal light is always close to a main access door. So we just have this in place here so it shows you the demo. Right here as we take you, this is the home screen. Every time the operator comes in the mornings or during shifts, he will see this home screen. Right here it tells you the booth number and booth number serial number, the date, and the project name. If you push on the green, it will take you to a loading signal of 10 seconds. Now as it takes you to this home screen identifies every air makeup unit. On this project we have a total of 6. We have an escape button, lights, heater, cure, lights, and SP1 for temperature. On SP1 is your temperature for spray mode. It's picking up in our sensors here on the right hand side. This is for spray, for heat, and it's spread out individually. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3. Now here it's currently reading 75 degrees, but what we want is spray cycle to start it up. You'll see identifying each one will start up, and then there's a green light. We turn on our lights. There's a blue, yellowish, white. Turn it off. We go to heat mode. It turns on heat with a beep sound. You turn this off. I want to show you how to adjust your temperature. Now you adjust it by touching the numbers. You go to 75, you tap it. It's set for 50 to 100. What we want to set it up is for 80 degrees. Now this one has a unique feature which is night mode. What the operator wants to accomplish is during the night he wants to make sure that the equipment is running at a certain temperature. With this program it allows us to keep this temperature currently. If you push on night, it sets to night mode and it only operates the 2 air makeup units on center at the desired temperature that it's set for. If the operator comes back in the morning and likes to operate the machines, goes back and turns it into the date mode. Now continuing further, once he applies his base coat in clear, he will continue to a cure cycle. That cure cycle again is the same feature that will be set at whatever temperature from 100 to 75 to 165 degrees. Now we have another button here that is the escape button. Escape buttons are normally for in case the shift is over, or there's a lunch break, or there's an emergency. But the emergency, we have an emergency button here, emergency EM for short terms. And once you push it, it turns off the whole system. It doesn't allow you to turn it back on or any commands until you finally reset the emergency button, and then it allows you for a home screen. Once the home screen is pushed in place, the system reactivates again. So there you have it. This particular project was created for the project in Colorado. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give your rep a call. Thank you.